Go ahead and start recording. I'm just gonna count 3, 2, 1 anyways for my own editing purposes. Alright, you recording already? Are you recording? Okay. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my boy Henry Lopez, and we're back here with the 2ZZ build. Now, just to get a little recap, we did start working on it without recording. We have 3 pistons and connecting rods installed. However, we ran into a little hiccup, and I actually damaged one of my expensive Monkey Wrench Racing rod bearings. This is actually isn't a damaged one. This is a good one, and they don't sell them by the pairs, so I had to order a whole set of like just regular oversized rod bearings because the crankshaft on this car actually had to be machined down 20 thousandths of an inch or 0.50 millimeters or whatever. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get this piston installed, the bearings installed, and get ready to install that cylinder head. Don't tell me if it starts to pinch your finger. Are you good?
Maybe you should do it a little bit more.
A little tighter? It was already kind of tight, but that's it.
Alright, that's good, that's good. Alright, so now let's try to. Oh, I didn't get my finger out.
My fault.
Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold this down like that, and you can lightly tap it in.
Hopefully, Chief called and said this is it. Ooh, Chief did say this was it. Look at that, boys. Smooth after like this.
Smooth like butter.
We're gonna go ahead and get this connecting rod cap on, torque it down to spec, and oh yeah, I know. Plus, I'm gonna lube that bearing. I forgot to lube it, but trust me, I'm going to. And after we do that, my trusty cameraman's gonna just record some B-rolls of us trying to get the surface cleaned up, get the head cleaned up, and throw the head on tonight. Maybe start to do the timing. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Recording.
Alright guys, so I'm not sure if you guys know, but these
this dude's so fucking weird.
Do not eat pineapple on pizza. What is wrong with you? Look, please comment. Does pineapple belong on pizza or does it not?
Hell no.
This was gonna be that for tomorrow for us.
Alright. Cars and pizza. This one was a lot better than the other one. We'll do a little engine spin real quick. Let me put this away. I'm muting that. Pretty much all YouTube's gonna see is me just talking and nothing's gonna be there. I'm gonna have to put an emoji over my fucking lips because you're a dumbass bitch.
Pretty fucking ugly. Ew.
Demonetization, you stupid fucking cunt.
I took deep scratches.
I can't get this shit off.
Your ass, Cam. Let me
You
do
need a
it.
place
Let's
to put
switch.
this upside down.
Okay.
Play this upside down.
Here.
Oh, never mind. Ugh, that was heavy as fuck. Alright. Look how pretty clean like my valves are. It's not that bad.
Can I spit on it?
Yeah.
No, I'm not gonna put a loogie on there.
It's too fat. Alright, so this is the next surface that has to be clean too.
Shut up, nigger.
Okay.
These are the next surface that has to be clean too.
Pussy ass.
Pineapple?
Oh yeah, I do.
Go ahead, grab pizza bus for anybody and everybody that wants pizza. Before it gets cold in it.
Straight.
Take a good quality bite.
Go wash my hands real quick.
I know they're gonna get dirty again, but they're a little too looby.
My name's Corbin.
He has cancer. So we went ahead and cleaned up the surfaces as best as we could. And I have this copper coated head gasket. It's nice, 100. But me and whoever, we're gonna go ahead and lift this shit on here and set it on top. Someone's gonna make sure this gasket doesn't move right here. It's gonna want to do this. Just make sure it kind of stays centered.
So you're gonna go that way and I'm gonna go that way.
Let me first get out of your way.
Wait,
okay,
grab the valve cover because the valve cover is gonna come off. Or we can just pick it up and let the valve cover fall off.
I give this valve cover.
Like,
I mean, this head gasket a couple weeks before it blows up.
Remember that.
Give this engine 4 weeks.
Alright, hold on. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Wait, what the fuck? Which way you want
What do
to
you mean?
twist it?
That's the top, isn't it?
Yeah, I was gonna twist it the other way.
Yeah, no, I'm just kidding.
Oh. Yeah.
Hold on.
You got it?
Ooh, there's stuff leaking.
Oh, it's brake fluid. I mean, not brake fluid, but brake clean is fine.
combustion.
Line it on the dowel pin. Is it aligned, Andres?
No.
Yeah. Wait.
No. No.
Oh, hold on.
Go for this one.
Hold on, you get that side.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. My side. No.
This side's not in.
Oh, no.
Shit.
My side then.
Corbin's not in yet.
Mine in.
Yeah, he's in.
Mine's in. Alright.
Rip that head gasket.
No, I didn't.
Dude, that shit got tore up.
Shit. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and remove the cams, which look pretty nice. They look pretty nice for a motor that had a.
Why didn't you take off the cams before we put on the head?
We can just take it off right here. They're hand tight. It's fine.
That was kind of stupid.
Are you recording? Alright, what's good, YouTube? You already know what it is. Finally dropping in after the rebuild. Let's see how this goes. It's just one.
Yeah. One hole straight through there. You have to use a super long extension. I had it right there behind you.
So do you do like commentary? Yes. Do you do reaction videos?
So,
So in the meantime, we're gonna lift this bad boy up.
Pole, white pole.
Camden over here, Corbin here.
The
Primo.
typical cameraman is actually doing work.
Yeah.
Cameramen can work.
So you know, oh shit, how you flip the camera on this? What's this? Oh, you know what?
It's a Samsung.
Fucking whack. What? Can you see my stuff? All right. So we're in here.
In the comment sections, guess, is he Mexican or is he black?
I'm part
We'll find
black.
out in the next
I'm part black,
episode.
Puerto Rican, Asian, and white.
Let's go back to
Right?
Nah, but for real, for real.
What you mean, one needs to go to the right?
Like, I guess the transmission
It's lit, boys.
Yeah.
It's lit, boys. Dude, just hey, man, just drop the engine, and if it stays, it stays.
I don't think these fans are gonna go. This
Yeah,
fan
no, I
is
see, I see, I see.
And if you really.
Y'all the most laziest motherfuckers out here.
What?
How the fuck y'all ain't take the radiator out?
It's, well, your exhaust.
No, too much work. Motherfuckers, y'all look like the people
Wait,
that
you
goes
wanna
to
do it
Dodge
back
pull
end?
apart. Oh, I want this engine. Get the knife, fucking cut everything. Where the pliers at, man? Cut all the hoses and shit.
Corbin, I'm gonna need you to watch that bag mount too, bro. We went too far to the right.
Too far to the right?
Yeah.
Good, like 4 inches too far.
Alright, you want me to move it to the left?
Oh, no, I got you, my friend.
We have ran
No
into
worries, no worries,
difficulties. We'll be right back.
Start. Let's do it.
Second start.
Second start.
Let's do it.